Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today it is back Oxtail.
Oxtail
Tuesday.
No, we talk a Tuesday to we think Oxtail.
So I have oxtail with some butter beans and some gungo peas and rice.
Yeah, gungo peas.
I don't know what I was gonna say. And we have
rice,
some
gungo
salad
rice,
here.
same thing.
Gungo rice, yeah.
Same thing.
Some salad here and some pear back here, aka avocado. And guess what? I have an outfit of the day, so check it out.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. I know you miss it. I know you like it. And I know I love it. So, there we go. Family, first lady promised me a box, you know. I'll make sure I tell you.
Please.
Oh, you drinking that Gatorade? See?
I'm
You
drinking
see
the
what I did?
Gatorade.
You over that
Sharon
the Gatorade.
Johnson
You see that?
said to share. Mind your business.
You see that?
But my outfit of the day, what I love about it, it is comfy. It still has a little sex appeal to it because the shoulders
So
is showing.
wait, man watching the thing. My face greasy, right?
Always greasy.
Listen.
It has a little shoulder action.
There's guys watching, okay?
Woo, woo.
Okay.
All right. So
Tell you that guys watching, you must want me to show them my chest. Want me to show them my shoulders too?
oh, the Gatorade tastes nice.
Nice.
Oh, I forgot my straw. My long straw.
You need to drink out of that?
I don't need it, but I like it because it makes the juice extra cold.
Go get it.
But now get up, man.
You want it? Want me to get it? Okay.
All right, so we're gonna dig in. I hope you guys having a great day so far. Oh my goodness.
Happy Tuesday. You know I gotta have the grace in the. That make you want to slap the owner, huh? Oh, slap your bucket seat.
I gotta, yo, miss, yo.
You put your foot in this one today?
Yo.
Hold on.
I can't.
Hold on. Let me see what
I can't help myself.
Family, today is one of those days where I'm just gonna relax and eat my food. So you might get a what you call it thing? It's over the A. What do you call it?
ASMR.
Yes, you might get AMSR. So I'm not gonna be talking to you. I'm just gonna be answering your question. If you ask a question, I'm nod my head and just keep it moving because right now I was waiting for this.
Okay.
This is beautiful.
If I'm, oh my goodness.
Look at the presentation though, family. Look at the rice. Nice and nice. Oh my God. You know oxtail expensive, and you know this is my favorite dish, so I'm gonna give you a one piece.
This
okay?
is so freaking good.
Hold on. There you go. I want to catch it. You got it?
I'm gonna tell you guys my secret.
There you go. Catch it now. See? That's alright. That's oxtail, you know. Something light. You wanna tell me a secret?
Oh my God. We do have a video on how we make oxtail. But Richie made oxtail that one time on the video. His oxtail is equally as delicious, okay?
First, I oxtail better.
But I'm gonna tell you something. The trick with my oxtail, I don't know if I should tell them. A lot of people don't do this, but I do it.
Tell them.
I add coconut milk to my oxtail. When you're making oxtail,
I don't want to put too much. I'm gonna stop.
it's fine, honey.
Okay.
That's good. You season it how you like it.
You're liking.
You understand? So about 30 minutes before it's over or finished, you add like, a third of a cup. I don't know why I'm second guessing myself. You don't need much. I let it cook down.
Simmer.
That is what gives it this delicious taste.
And she ain't capping. That joint is bad.
It is so good.
And this is my favorite dish. So you know when I get this, I do not share.
You know we have to have oxtail at least once every few months.
Very expensive.
We love oxtail. God. Oh my gosh. If I told you this was You know what makes me mad? It's like they don't believe us.
They don't. But don't worry.
The oxtail.
Oxtail turn up.
You guys will try it one day, trust me.
Oxtail different. But a lot of them never tried it though.
Oh my God. So
A lot of them say they want to try it. Yeah, better try before you get more expensive.
Oh what? You got the one.
Look at my princess. Dark and lovely.
Oh God, it's so good. Oh! I should have fried some plantains. I had some in there too. Forgot.
You're playing, right?
Yeah. Man.
Don't worry about it. The next fantastic dish.
Got a little bit of coconut milk. You know what you're missing out? Just that little bit of coconut milk. Trust me, try it.
Just that little bit goes a lot. It goes a long way.
Once you try it like that, you can't go back. I promise you.
What? They're gonna try it. Okay. I heard one person said they're gonna try it. And again, we don't pressure cook it. We cook it down.
Cook it down. Down.
Mercedes is a good cook. I say that all the time. She's a good cook. That's what grabbed me, no? Cause first you can cook.
That's not what grab you.
When that grab me,
Peeping Tom.
wait, when that grab me, family, then the next thing grab me. Whoo! Oh my God! One person is cook. I say, yeah. It's a wrap. And then from there, it was bingo.
Don't get me wrong.
I hit the lottery, family.
Oh, let's go sleep. I had a lot of trial and errors.
It's true.
But
Just like me, as I said before, it's a lot of things I never ate, and you made me eat it first.
yeah.
You know what I mean? But for her, she's a good cook, though, fam. I ain't capping, greedy fam. She can do her thing.
Yeah, man. Ooh.
No? I'm not such a bad cook neither. I can do my thing for a guy. If you're new, you got old videos where we cook and have the video on top of it, so go check those out.
Yeah, that is true. The older videos, we cook the food.
Yeah.
Like we'll
Show
eat the
it.
food and then we'll show you how we cook it in the middle of the video.
In the middle of the video. So if you want to go back and check out some old videos, way down, right?
That's why
If you're
we
new,
don't really do it anymore because all of our recipes.
Yeah.
But then we started to do a separate video for the cooking.
Yeah, we did. But all this is in here.
Everything. How we make curry chicken foot, oxtail, barbie fried chicken, jerk chicken. How to make dumpling, boiled dumpling.
Oh, I guess season of oxtail.
Right, same day.
God damn it.
Same day.
This oxtail sit like it was sitting in the fridge for a week.
Honey, imagine if I did that. Man.
All the bone in there.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna chop all the bone down.
I have to get my gravy, guys. Don't pay me no mind. Imagine if I had made this soap. Because that's what Richie does when he's making jerk chicken. It's sold for like a week.
Yo, Tom. The price of oxtail right now, you have to suck off the bone till the bone and dry it up come like a mango you eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, it's mango season too coming.
Family,
Yo.
mango season coming too. So don't worry, we're gonna get some mangoes. But, you know?
Mango season coming, man.
Mango season coming, family. Yeah.
Ooh.
And yes. Yes, because I know you're gonna ask. We have those trees. We got everything here. Coming like a mini Jamaica.
Yeah.
We got everything. And one of my co-workers, they got all the tree here. All the tree in their yard. I'm not even gonna lie. So that I'm here. I said I wasn't gonna talk, I'm still gonna shut up. See that?
Get the hiccup.
I still gotta talk for me.
I know you
gonna
wasn't
talk.
not gonna talk. It's hard for you not to talk.
It is hard for me not to talk.
Yeah, I gotta make sure I get all my gravy.
Damn it.
The gravy is delicious.
What did I say just now? No package today? No, we ain't got no meal today. Come on, not every day we gonna get meal, family. Come on now. Not every day we gonna get meal. But if you want to, you know what to do. Alright, not true first lady.
Yeah, man. They said you got enough packages.
Yeah, we got enough packages.
I'm eating with my left hand. I'm trying to get my gravy because I don't want to waste no gravy.
You ambidextrous. What's the word?
I don't want to miss no gravy. The gravy, bad man, bad.
But wow.
Yeah, man. Richie does what he normally does when he comes home from work. Say hi to everybody, the kids, them. Give me a kiss and go straight to the pot.
That's the first thing I go to.
And so I start and get eating out of the pot.
I got a sample.
And I happened to come in the kitchen, and he looked at me, and he said,
God damn.
This oxtail is good, yo.
This oxtail right here is a goat, son.
And guess what? I didn't even taste it.
I taste it for you.
I cooked the oxtail, didn't even taste it.
Family, I'm taking my time. I don't want to miss nothing. This is oxtail, family. I'm telling you.
Ooh, excuse me.
Yo. When we start with this on the truck, man.
Yo. On a big truck. It's over. Hear what I said?
Yeah.
Over.
It's over.
It's gonna be lines for days.
Yep.
For oxtail. Cause people love oxtail too, you know?
And then come to the banging pot. Oh, I can't say because they're gonna ask for it.
But I'm wondering.
Huh.
Oh, yeah, but not now. Your beard was tickling my ear.
They said don't be whispering. You don't want to know what I heard.
But I want to know. When you go to a restaurant and you order oxtail, it's like $15 for a plate of oxtail, and they count how much oxtail they give you.
For $15,
Yeah.
you could buy your own thing.
But I'm saying if we're selling on the truck, it's gonna be $15 for oxtail, $16.
Yeah.
So I don't know if people are gonna buy that because that's a lot. Because I know I want to buy it. They're probably gonna give you 6 pieces. Yeah.
That's expensive, huh? Expensive. Damn, that food that far from the one.
Yeah, man. I had said that earlier, but I was like,
Damn, all my gravy over here.
maybe he wants it like that.
No, I don't want it like that. That's too far.
If it's in high demand, if people keep on asking for the oxtail, then we'll have to get it on the truck. But we gotta let them know it's gonna be expensive.
It's gonna be expensive. You gotta sell it the price for what they sell in the restaurants.
Yeah.
What do you think, family? Gotta keep it the same way. You know what I mean? I have a
We have
special.
no choice.
I have no choice. I'll give them a special one day.
Yo.
Yo.
Listen. Oh my god. Listen, the worst part about eating this oxtail is that you guys can't physically try it. Because I promise you.
Yo. And it's so soft.
Soft. But again, it's not mushy. It's still on. You see what I'm saying? It's still on. I told you guys this before.
You get it on top?
No.
Oh, you don't get it on your oxtail today? Okay. Sorry.
Yo, why do you put me in the spot, yo? You always do that.
Give them these and then take one of mine.
No. I'll give you some. I'll give you some, family. This is oxtail. Here you guys go. Can you see, honey? Put your hand up.
There you go. There you can see it. You lucky because you took so long to get in there and grab your hand.
But it's still on the bone. But as soon as you put it in your mouth, it falls right off.
Family. Question. Are we getting the next Timmy?
That's true.
Let me know, cause I know y'all be knowing early, son. Let me know if we get the next Timmy or what. Cause when we get this Timmy, I'm definitely buying a goat and a cow.
I'm buying me a box of oxtail because they said the box of oxtail is cheaper.
Buy the box?
And the way how we eat oxtail, or we love oxtail, why don't we buy the box?
We love oxtail.
And we use it in 2 different meals. Regular oxtail and then stew peas.
Cause of me. Cause I don't eat pig's tail. So first you gotta substitute, then give me the uptown oxtail. Yo.
Another trick too. Another trick. I'm making oxtail. After you cook the oxtail and you add your coconut milk, a third of coconut milk, okay? Even a fourth. Doesn't have to be a lot. You cook it down for like another 20 to 30 minutes, and you turn the stove off, and you let it sit there
And soak.
and soak. And then, when you're ready to eat it, you warm it back up, and you mix up some cornstarch with some water, and you put it in to thicken the gravy. Golden. That's how you get the.
That's a goat.
Yeah, because if you cook oxtail, and I do the same thing with my curry goat, I don't add coconut milk though, but I let it sit there and soak up. Because as soon as you turn the fire off and you immediately start eating it, the meat doesn't get a chance to, soak in the gravy. This is years of practice. I know what I'm talking about. Trust me, try it.
Twin Green, if you watch it, let me know if you watch Battle Rap.
Oh Lord.
And let me know who's your favorite. Your favorite. Alright? Just holler at me. Let me know if you watch it.
It's battle rap.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite?
I got a lot of favorite, but right now I rock with Hitman Holla. Hitman Holla be going hard.
Oh, Hitman Holla?
Yeah. But that's something I'm about to go watch after this, family, but in Battle Rap, sorry, excuse me. You hear the lyrics.
And how good of a
how good of a rapper they are without the music. Don't get me wrong, they could rap on music too, but you hear the real spitting like they going at it. Oh my gosh. Family, some of y'all don't know what I'm talking about.
Were they thinking that they come with stuff right off the dome?
Right off the dome.
And you're like, how the hell did they think of that?
And then they put it together, you like, yo.
Let me get a rap. Let me get a little spit.
You got a spit?
Yeah, I got a rap.
You want a spit? Right now, if you don't got the grace, there won't be no race. Because you know grace will come in first place.
Oh.
And I'm eating my oxtail while we're talking to the family. But at the same time, birthday time for our food, Family, our food, birthday time for, I know.
Oh God.
I can't remember for 1 gram, but I got the grace
That
of
was
the
good.
race.
The grace of the race on lockdown. That was very good, honey.
Family, you see? First they take for your food, boy, that was good. Yeah?
I'm hyping you.
You hyping me up, guys?
I'm your hype woman.
You hyping me, you my hype woman.
Alright.
But you know I can't remember for 1 crap. Oh!
Stop.
Let me get the beautiful people the word of the day. Greedy fam, I almost forgot. Wipe off my finger. Okay, here what I got for y'all beautiful people today. Here we go. And I'm gonna finish my oxtail, so don't think, I'm not gonna finish my oxtail. Y'all got me messed up. Okay. Listen to your own voice, your own soul. Too many people listen to noise of the world instead of themselves. Deep inside, you know what you want. Let no one decide for you.
Period.
Period. Hear the first lady say?
I love that.
Period.
Period.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Family, hope you listen. Cause sometimes, I say 2 times, but I know when I go 1 time, y'all really come up like this and then listen. So I know y'all got that one. You know what I'm saying? If that was a good one, give me a thumbs up. You like that one, first lady?
Yeah.
Okay. I like that, since you like it. Alright. Let me go back and eat my delicious, beautiful meal.
Ooh.
We appreciate y'all. If you're new, like, comment, and subscribe and come join the family. Over here we just talk about anything. You know what I'm saying? This is Shanice. This is Richie, aka First. Show them your cup. Cause they don't know you're new. They're new to it. AKA
First Lady.
Don't spill it. AKA First Lady. And there you are, First Lady.
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye. Don't be doing this all every freaking video. Like I know how you are. Yeah. Every time. Every time you do something, you gotta do something over and over again. Why you gotta repeat yourself over and over again for? Shut.
Because I got old timers.
I'm sitting here like,
What?
when he's saying the outro for it, and you still have beer meat on your
I
side.
ain't got no beer meat on my side. You see, I'm done with my food already.
Yeah? I tried my food today. I was hungry.
You had a lot of food too.
And the food was good. The food is always good.
You got a lot, Tom.
But today, I was hungry. I ate nothing today. I was doing Simeon's hair.
I see that because you tell me hurry and come.
I said, I said, I can't wait for you today. I gotta eat my food.
I was about to watch my video, son.
Not today. I was hungry.
That's all you. When I say you rush me, I say she better than your mother's damn food, no.
If I don't eat it, what are you gonna do? That's a question. Seriously.
Spank you, son.
Yeah. Spank me on it.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop that.